An important part of maintaining the eDee printer is ensuring that there is a good distance between the print bed and the nozzle. To do this, you need to be in the service menu and you need to select the nozzle settings. On the top left-hand side of the screen, there is the temperature setting. This shows you what temperature the nozzle is currently at. It's very important to understand that the nozzle can get to temperatures of over 200 degrees Celsius. And for this reason, you need to be careful when you're near the nozzle and never handle the nozzle. Below the temperature is a cool down and a heat up selection. This is for the manual cool down and heating up of the nozzle. And then below that is the nozzle usage indicator. This shows you the life of the nozzle. If the nozzle needs replacement, you should contact Konica Minolta and a technician will come out and do that for you. Below that is unlock both doors, and by pressing this, both of the doors will unlock on the printer. On the right-hand side of the screen is the set offset selection. The set offset will raise the print bed to the top, and below that is the test offset. You can select this to print a test calibration at the end of the offset test. Select set offset and you'll notice that the print bed is raising to the top. For this exercise, you'll need a sheet of 80 GSM paper. Any sheet of 80 GSM paper is fine. We'll be using this to insert it between the nozzle and the print bed to check the tension or the gap between the two. Simply place the sheet of paper on top of the print bed and underneath the nozzle. You're checking to see if there's any tension or whether the sheet is moving too freely. What you need is a bit of friction on the sheet. You don't need it to move too freely there. To make adjustments, there is an up and down arrow here, and you can move the print bed up and down. In this case, I'm going to move the print bed up. That's probably a little bit too much tension there, and I'll just move it down a little bit more. So there are increments of 0.1 millimetre and 0.01 millimetre. So a little bit of fine tuning there in order to get the sheet into the right spot. Once you're comfortable with the result, you need to select Save and you're ready to print.